Okay, here's my air cannon. It's made out of PVC. It has three 2-inch barrels, a 3/4 inch ball valve, and a 1/2 inch barrel. Um, I am, I have a pressure gauge on it to tell how much pressure, and it's hooked up to a filling rig. That's pressure. I'm gonna fill it with my air compressor at 130 psi. I'm only gonna shoot my air cannon at 100 psi. So then I get my steel bolt, put it in the end of the barrel, get my ramrod to shove it down. There we go. Then I'm just gonna aim this at the ball, get my barrel at point blank, pressurize my air tank. That's 100 psi. Aim directly at the ball. In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah.